Chimanadu Nenya Michael Dagawi Dukawishan Nando Melowe Nungu Miigwechka Ijikakina Gegu Miigwechka Ijichikeya Nungu Miigwechka Ijiwebak Miigwechka Ijigijagok Miigwech Bimadazian Mino Bimadazian Miigwech Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to what is normally the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. And it is again. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, rock star cartoonist, singing in the Ojibwe language. That was cool, man. Hey, thanks a lot. And over here, get out of here. The lovely and talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO ni weenie mushain. Say hello, my sweetheart. BOOZHOO gakina awia. Mino onagoshin, I should say. Mino onagoshin, good evening. That's right. John's here, sweetie. John Redcorn? Yep. Oh, cool. Hey, BOOZHOO, John. BOOZHOO, John. Let's give John a gold star. And a gold star for John. Gold star for John, Mr. Redcorn. Curtis Mills is here too, sweetie. Well, BOOZHOO, Curtis Mills. Hello, Curtis. BOOZHOO, Niji. Let's get a silver star for Curtis Mills. Silver star for the Millster? For the Millster? Yeah, I don't know. And Joseph Duncan is here, sweetie. Oh, cool. Joseph Duncan. BOOZHOO, Joe. You get the bronze star. And the bronze star goes to Joseph Duncan. BOOZHOO, Niji, nice to have you here. Hey, here comes Natsy Schmatsy. Oh, good. I was hoping there'd be some more women. Yeah, it was turning into quite the sausage fest. Don't be gross. Mino Onagoshin, Natsy Schmatsy. Nice to see you. Welcome back. Pull up a chair. We're just kind of hanging out. Oh, that's pretty good tea. What is that? This is, I think you're having the, what do they call it? Ginger. It's ginger tea. It's lemon ginger. Lemon ginger? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's good. With probiotics. Probiotics. That's going to make me book it. No, it's not. Probiotics. So anyway, BOOZHOO. What's the show called tonight? Show's called, what's his face calls in? Oh, ALEC Baldwin. Yeah. All right, let's get this over with. Mr. Baldwin, you're on the air. You have made an ass out of me for the last time. I beg your pardon? Who is this? It's NANABOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO? You mean from that podcast? Yeah, from the live stream podcast about Ojibwe language. What can I do for you? Oh, I thought I was talking to my daughter. Your number is similar to my daughter's number. That's how you talk to your daughter? Yeah. Well, you haven't heard the recording? Yeah, actually I have. Hi, ALEC. Hello, Natasha. How you doing? Oh, I'm doing great. Joan Frame just gave us $5. She did? Hey, thanks, Joan. That's very nice of you, Joan. You know, if I could, I'd give you a super chat too. You would? You better save your money. You're in a lot of trouble. That's not funny. I didn't shoot her. She was my friend. Yeah, but I hear you're getting charged with manslaughter. That's preposterous. In manslaughter, you have to kill somebody. Well, ALEC, she's dead. Well, yeah, I know she's dead, but I didn't kill her. The gun killed her. I've been telling people for years those guns are dangerous. But I thought it was a prop gun. Yeah, you know what I learned about prop guns, sweetie? What's that? Prop guns are just guns they use for props. They're not fake guns. Really? No, it's the same thing. You could call something, oh, this is a prop knife. It's still a knife. They're just using a knife for a prop. He was using a real gun as a prop. They didn't have toy guns. Why did you have toy guns, Alec? Because I wanted the scene to be realistic. I'm an artist, and I want it to be really realistic. And I was in character. I was, what's that called when you stay in character? Yeah, method actor. Yeah, I was a method actor. And I wanted it to look realistic. But I didn't, before I knew what had happened, she was gone. And the gun shot her. But that wasn't me. That was my character. Oh, it was the character he was playing. Yeah, they should lock up that cowboy. I mean, say what you will, that's pretty good acting. Yeah, that was the most realistic thing you'd ever done, was shoot that poor lady. Well, I don't know how I can help you, Alec. I kind of hope they throw away the key. What? I thought you were my friend. I'm not your friend. But I've called up on your show so many times. Yeah, so what? All right. Well, I'd like to learn the Ojibwe word of the day before I go. Oh, sure. I can do that much for you. Nano Gija Good is the 5th day, or Friday. Nano, 5th. Hey, that's pretty good. Maybe I'll plead the 5th. You're going to plead the 5th? Yeah. I'll go to court and I'll plead the 5th. Yeah, okay. But yeah, 5th day, Nano Gija Good. And, you know what, Alec? Ninayan. Gagwade Waywin. I have a question. Ginayan. Gagwade Waywin. You have a question? Yes. Nice use of the language. You know, and all the craziness that surrounded this story and everything, has anybody bothered to ask you? Anin, Eji Ayayan, how are you? Anin, Eji Ayayan, how are you? How am I? I don't know. I've seen better days. Yeah, it must be stressful. Didn't you just have a new baby? Yeah, I've got 7 or 8 babies at home. I mean, my wife is only in her 20s. And then I have another daughter somewhere. She's mad at me. And then I'm facing the manslaughter. I mean, come on. Yeah. It's a tough time. It's going to make you go gray. Yeah, tell me about it. I'd like to say I'm good, but I'm not. I'm bad. How do you say I'm bad in Ojibwe? Well, funny you should ask. Ninmaji eya. Ninmaji eya is like I'm not doing so well. Ninmaji eya. I gotta tell you, I'm not doing so well. Yeah, I know. Well, hang in there, man. You know, I'm not sure what I can do for you. Well, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? Nanaboozhoo. We don't say goodbye, Alec. We say, I will see you again. Gigawaba min. Minowa. Gigawaba min. Minowa Nanaboozhoo. And is that girlfriend of yours still there? Yeah, I'm over here, Alec. Gigawaba min. Minowa Natasha. Yeah, Gigawaba min. Minowa. Good luck at your trial. Yeah, I'm gonna need it. Well, there you go. Alec Baldwin called in. Well, at least we got him on the show. That's what's important in all this. I think a lot of people kind of forget, you know, and all the hype and everybody picking sides, you know. That what's really important is that we could use Alec's name and his misfortune as clickbait for our show. That's all that was. I know. How you guys doing? Do you have a strong feeling about the Alec Baldwin trial? Do you want to see him fry? I wonder if he'll get the death penalty. I don't think so. I think it's just manslaughter. I think manslaughter is like a year and then a couple of weekends a month. I think you're thinking of the Army Reserves. I might be thinking of the Army Reserves. Hey, Joan, thank you so much for that $5 super chat. That was cool. Yeah, it was, huh? If you'd like to support the show, we do gratefully accept super chats. I think you just click on the $ thing over there. We also have a Patreon and a PayPal and GoFundMe sites in the description in a box, down there. But don't forget, more importantly than that, almost. Yeah, not quite. In a close second. Subscribe. So you know when we're going on. Because who knows when we go on. Oh, wow. Here comes Red Z with a 5. Hey, sweet. BOOZHOO, Red Z. Chibi-quetch. Red Z says, BOOZHOO, seems like a series of small mistakes that piled up. Oh, for old Alec Baldwin? Yeah, he should have stayed home that day. It was probably Friday the 13th. Yeah, it was just, what do they call that? Murphy's Law? When anything that can go wrong will go wrong at the worst possible minute. Yeah. I don't know what happened, but he was having a bad day. I wonder, he made a lot of enemies in the last few years. Yeah? Do you think he, maybe angered the wrong medicine man? What do you mean? Maybe someone put some bad medicine on Alec Baldwin and gave him bad luck. But then he would have shot himself and not an innocent bystander. Yeah, it was actually, for as much bad luck as Alec had that day, the lady he shot had even worse luck. Yeah. Why are you laughing? I don't know, because I'm uncomfortable. But yeah, that's what they say back in the days with the grandfathers. Have you guys ever heard of a lake called Bad Medicine Lake? Yeah, over in White Earth? Yeah, White Earth has a lake called Bad Medicine Lake. Mudgy, mushkiki, gummy-wee. The Bad Medicine Lake, and you wonder, what does that mean? We know what good medicine is. What's good medicine? Good medicine is anything that makes you feel good. Like black medicine water. That's right. It's good medicine. Drink your coffee. Also, this is my probiotic tea. This is probiotic Anibishabu. Anibishabu. It'll help keep you regular, which has never been a problem for me. I know. What's up with people who can't go to the bathroom? I guess I don't drink coffee. I don't think I've ever been constipated. I've never gone more than 12 hours without having to take it. They don't want to hear this. Why are you talking about this? I don't know. Because it's live. I'm all frazzled because we already made $10. But yeah, just one bad thing happened after the other. I wonder if I'll ever get to see the finished version of that movie, though. Rust? Yeah, it was pretty good at advertising for the movie Rust. I can't remember the name of the victim of, Alec Baldwin's killing rampage, but I remember the name of the movie, Rust. Oh, yeah. You should have called that movie Oops. Now, coming soon to theaters near you. Whoops, says Alec Baldwin as he's playing cowboy with real gun. Yeah, well, they make fake guns, by the way, Hollywood. Nobody's going to notice if it's a cap gun. Those things look just like guns. You don't have to use an actual gun. Nobody's going to notice that there's not real bullets in the, Why is it fall on me that I got to go to Hollywood and tell them that they can use fake guns for their movies? Is that what somebody asked you? Well, nobody's asked me, but I don't know. But anyway, sweetie, I have a question. Ninayan, gagwaid-waywin. Ninayan, gagwaid-waywin. What's your question? How come if we live on a spinning ball, yeah, you can't just take a balloon, go up in the air, wait 1 hour, come down, and be 1,000 miles away? Because of gravity, man. That's my question for you, globe believers. If we're living on a spinning ball, we should be able to go up in a balloon. The Earth spins at 1,000 miles an hour. So they say. How did they measure that? Nobody knows. But they say, and we're all led to believe, that the Earth spins at 1,000 miles an hour at the equator. Different speeds as you get to the north and south poles of this little spinning top. So why can't you just go up in a balloon, wait 1 hour, come back down, and be 1,000 miles away? And you're right, the answer is always, well, gravity. Somehow, some unexplainable way, unmeasurable way, gravity will pull you with the Earth. Sort of. Just enough to hide any way that we could possibly notice that we were on a spinning ball. You know. Nanayan, gagwade, we win. I have a question. What's John Redcorn going to do with his 2 boxes of gold stars? Hang on to that gold, man. There's an economic collapse. Yeah, hang on to your gold stars. You know, the collapse is coming. You're going to need that to pay off the Nazis. Or whatever's coming. Oh, he's giving one to Joan. That's very generous of you. John with his box of gold. At the end of the rainbow. Ninayan, gagwade, we win. I have a question. La-di-da-di-da. How are you, sweetie? Anin, Ayan. I'm pretty good. Namino Ea. I am good. Nimino Ea. I am good. I am good and fed up. Are you? Yeah. Ni maji Ea. I'm in a bad way. Really? Yeah, man. The Vikings are out of it. Oh, did the Vikings lose? I think. I so couldn't care less that I can't remember, but I think I heard somebody and didn't pay any attention say the Vikings lost. And I think that means the season's over for the Vikings. Oh, no. I'm a millionaire. Don't get to play my little football game at the Super Bowl. Okay. But what I think is really stupid. What? You know, the football players, they don't mind. They go down, shower up, and pat each other on the back. Hey, good season, fellas. Let's go, have steak dinner. But the fans are all bummed out. Like they lost something. It's like, yeah, you lost something. You lost hours and hours of your life you'll never get back. Glued to the TV, watching what is probably as fake as All-Star Wrestling. Is that what you think? Yeah. That's another rumor I'm hearing, is that the football matches are staged. Really? Yep. Anything where they've got betting that goes on is, it's basically every game is like watching the Harlem Globetrotters. They know who's going to win in advance. All the players are in on it. They don't care. They're like, here, would you like $20 million to pretend to play football? You got it. All right, on this play, you're going to drop the ball. Oh, okay. Some job. Hey, here comes Missy. BOOZHOO, Missy. Hey, what's going on, cuz? Missy. We're going to go see the, speaking of spinning balls, going to go see, what's her face? Mary somebody. Wrote a book on the stars. She's doing a storytelling. It must be a storytelling month for Ojibwe people or something. What month is it? January? I like how we forget the month. I know, it's really bad. I forget what day it is. I can't remember the days of the week anymore. But I still know what month it is. And it's 2023, right? Yep. Okay. We got that much going down. But yeah, Missy wants to go see Mary Mitchell, talk about outer space, the star people or whatever. And it's going to be a really like popular, it seems like there's a lot of people are planning on going. I know, nobody showed up to our thing. Yeah, we had a storytelling event last night. And about 10 people showed up. I know. Anyway, thank you, Trek North. Next time, why don't you advertise so some people can come? What is this? But, yeah, so we're going to go. And I told Missy, I was like, well, yeah, but you're going to have to keep me from telling people I think outer space is fake and the earth is flat. Yeah. They call it sea level. They don't call it sea curve. It's level. People ask, well, where's the edge? Where's the edge of a lake? There's just no outer space. We're in a snow globe. Underwater, if you believe the Bible. Yeah, if you believe the Bible, you would say there's water is above the firmament. Yeah. If you want to believe the Bible says there's water above that. Above the stars, sun, and the moon. And there's water below us, which we know about. Oh no, we're in a spinning ball. Zooming around outer space. You can believe it because Neil deGrasse Tyson told you so. Oh, okay. Priest Tyson. I would sooner believe Mike Tyson. You know. Statistically, the Generals have to win against the Globetrotters soon. Yeah. I got my money's on the Generals for the next head-to-head with the Globetrotters. Sooner or later, those guys are going to finally beat the... Were the Generals white guys? I don't know. In my memory, I'm kind of picturing the Generals being white guys and the Harlem Globetrotters being black guys. Yeah, no wonder they always won. Hey, that's racist. How is it racist if you're saying something good about a person? I know, I never understood that. Yeah, like if you say Asians are good at math, it's like, hey, you're racist. Hey, you know, black people are good at basketball. How dare you? You are a racist. It's okay. Norwegians make good pastries. Racist! Nah. Hey, Joan. Me, Gwetch. Joan Frame got us with another 5. Yeah, she did. It's raining $5 bills. Me, Gwetch, Joan. You're the best, Joni. Oh, I heard Joni loves Chachi. Everybody loved Chachi. Yeah. What's that guy's real name? Scott Baio. Scott Baio. Little Italian guy. I think he got in a lot of trouble. I think he got Me Too'd it somewhere along the line. Yeah, they all do eventually. Did Alec Baldwin ever get Me Too'd? I don't know, probably. Hey, sweetie. Yeah? You want to take a call? We got somebody on line 2. Line 2, you say? Oh, sure. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. Oh! Merry Christmas, NANABOOZHOO. Santa? Why, yes, it's me, jolly old Saint Nick. Hey, sweetie, it's Santa Claus. Hi, Santa. I didn't even believe in you. Nobody believes in Santa Claus anymore. I am so sad. Ho, ho, ho. What's the matter, old man? Well, I just wanted to bring presents to the children, but I couldn't. Why not? Because of COVID restrictions. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, really? Yes, I had to quarantine myself. I came down with the COVID-19. Ho, ho, ho. All right, quit your crying. Is that why we didn't get any presents this year? Well, and you've been a bad little boy. What do you mean? Santa's been keeping an eye on you. I know when you've been good, and I know when you've been bad. Shut up. You've been on my naughty list. How do you say I'm bad in Ojibwe? This is stupid. I know. Well, Saint Nick, funny you should ask. If you want to say I'm good, which I'd like to assume I am, and you don't need to be judging me. Namino Eya. Namino Eya. I am good too. Yeah, I don't know. You're pretty judgy. Ni Maji Eya. I'm bad. Ni Maji Eya. I'm bad. Ho, ho, ho. I'm bad. I'm bad. You know it. You know. Are you trying to sing Michael Jackson? I love that song. Your butt is mine. Ho, ho, ho. What? That's the song. That's right. That's how that starts, doesn't it? Your butt is mine. Ba-da-doo-doo-doo. Be colorblind. Don't be so do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Okay, hey. Can't remember that song. Yeah, it must be hard when people stop believing in you, huh? Yes, I have very low self-esteem. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, well, what do you think, sweetie? What kind of advice would you give Santa Claus? Well, Santa, you don't have to judge your worth based on whether or not other people believe in you. You should believe in you. Yeah, you got to believe in yourself, even if nobody else does. That's what Paul Stanley used to say. That's right. You think I should be like Paul Stanley? Well, you don't have to be like Paul Stanley, but just, follow his teachings. You got to believe in yourself and work hard, and anything is possible. Well, you've given me a lot to think about. I'm going to go, but I will see you again. How do you say, I'll see you again, NanaBOOZHOO? Something's telling me I doubt you're going to call in again, but we say, Gigawaba min, Minawa. Well, Gigawaba min, Minawa, NanaBOOZHOO. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, you too, buddy. Okay, that was dumb. What do you mean? We don't know who's going to call in. Yeah, well, I know who's not going to call in until next Christmas. I mean, like, why? I don't know. We're running out of people to call in. I know. Everyone in the world's called in once. You want to talk to Michael Jackson? The King of Pop? Yeah. You gotta be kidding me. How does he know about our show? Because he calls in every third day. Yeah, I know. Michael Jackson, welcome back to the show. Hee Shamoa. How you doing, buddy? I'm doing great. Hi, NanaBOOZHOO. Hi. Hee. What's going on? I was watching this program. I want to learn the Ojibwe word of the day. Yeah, sure. Let's see. Today is Friday. We call it Nanogijugud, 5th day, or Friday. Nanogijugud, the 5th day, Friday. Hee Samoa. Yep. And, I don't know. So how are things going for you in, heaven? Of course, I'm in heaven, silly. I'm surrounded by children, and I get to play and be a child, because I'm a child on the inside. Hee Shamoa. Yeah, I know. Hey, did you see when ALEC Baldwin called in? Yes, of course. Yeah, he's going to be going into court. He's been facing manslaughter charges.
Oh, that's poopy talk.
Yeah. You know something about court, don't you?
Yes, of course. Allegedly. Allegedly.
Yeah, allegedly. Listen, Michael Jackson. I have a question. Ninayan. Gogud Wade Waywin.
Nin ayan. Got way winning. I have a question. Yeah, what do you want to know, silly?
Do I just come right out and ask?
No,
Why not?
because it's too gross to even ask.
Did you fake your death?
Oh, is that what you're going to ask?
Yeah, what do you think I was going to say?
I had a whole different idea.
Oh, right.
No, that's poopy talk. I fell asleep and I was trying to drink my mother's milk, and then Dr. Murray accidentally killed me. Hee hee.
Okay, so that story is true. That was actually you. You were the one, and then Dr. Murray overdosed you on propofol or whatever it's called.
Yes, of course.
So what about that weird, what's that guy's name? Does the interviews? Oh, I should have looked at it before we did the show.
I know what you're talking about.
Remember that old guy who did interviews and he wore suspenders and he looked like a skeleton?
Yeah, his name is, of course.
Do you remember Michael? Yeah, he's really famous. I think he's dead now. Anyway, you're being interviewed. I don't know if it was you, but somebody who claimed to be a guy named Dave.
Yes, of course, Dave, he's my friend.
Right. Claimed to be a little kid who had a burned face that you befriended when he was a child. Then when he, entered puberty, you wanted nothing to do with him anymore.
No, that's ignorant.
Was that you as Dave? Is that the real you? Some people are saying that you actually burned your face up during that Pepsi commercial, and that it's been doubles playing you ever since then, and that whoever died on the day that you apparently died was somebody else.
No, that's ignorant.
Okay. I guess we'll never know for sure.
I guess not.
Well, there you go. I just wanted to ask.
But of course.
So, things going well in heaven for you?
Yes, of course. I get to play and dance and sing. Hee hee, shamoa.
All right. Well, listen, I gotta go. Anything else I can do for you?
How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
We don't say goodbye, Michael. We say, I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa.
Gigawaba min, minawa. Hee hee, shamoa.
Yeah. Okay, Michael Jackson.
See you later, Michael. See you later, Natasha. Hee hee, shamoa.
Yikes. I'm getting kind of sick of the old hee shamoa move.
I know, he can't help it.
The wishing tree. Have you seen my wishing tree? Remember, he sounds exactly like those guys from South Park.
I know. Those guys got him down perfectly.
Yeah, the real Michael Jackson. Anyway, so allegedly Diana Ross scarred him for life, taking his youth when he was 11 or 12. Yikes. Diana Ross should burn for doing that.
Yeah, that's really sick.
Yeah, that's probably, I believe it completely. I've heard stories where he got scarred. Can we talk about this? It's after 9. No, it's just turned into an adult show. Michael Jackson got scarred sexually as a young boy just by seeing all his older brothers, having sex with groupies and stuff. He was right in a hotel room. And he was the most popular one. girls, adult women would be screaming his name, trying to tear at his clothes when he was just a little kid. The whole thing was so sick, and that's what screwed him up. Does not excuse him having hot tub parties with little boys in his bedroom, which has also been alleged. But I guess we'll never know. We'll never know now. Well, have you seen my wishing tree? What do you think, sweetie? You wanna put out some tobacco for us? Yeah, sure. You know what song I really like that you did with Emily? Which one? Dreaming My Dream. Oh, you gonna play that? Yeah. This is Emily and Natasha singing Dreaming My Dreams. Miigwech gabizen dawi egg. Oh, that's really good coffee.
Yeah.
That's really good. Makade. Moshikiki wabu. To make that the Ojibwe word of the day?
Yeah, sure.
You said to me today,
You ready to get started?
Yeah, if you are.
in every way. These things count to mean so much to me. Into my fate, you and your baby. It's out there. It's out there. It's out there. If you want me, I'll be here. It's out there. It's out there. It's out there. If you want me, I'll be here.
And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
And there's no other place that I'd lay down my face, dreaming my dreams for you. It's out there. It's out there. It's out there. If you want me, I'll be here. It's out there. It's out there. It's out there. If you want me, I'll be I'll be dreaming my dreams with you. I'll be dreaming my dreams with you. And there's no other place that I'd lay down my face, dreaming my dreams with you.
I am Nanaboozhoo over here.
What?
Looking just cute.
Ah, get out of here.
The lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon boozhoo ni weenie mushay. Say hello, my sweetheart.
Hello, my sweetheart. Nah. Oh, wow. BOOZHOO! Oh, Oh, looks like the northern lights are out again. The spirits dancing. Jibayag Nimi Iriwag. Jibayag Nimi Iriwag. The spirits that dance. The northern lights. I'll be dreaming my dreams with you. Hoka hey Jadsa Bay Mealand is here again. BOOZHOO Nietzsche. Welcome back to the show. I just thought I'd step out and say a little prayer. Gotta offer my tobacco to the Great Spirit real quick. BOOZHOO, get you manadu. Hello, Great Spirit. Udapana niwi asema. Accept my tobacco. Tekawi tukawishin. Undo minaway dibakok. Please help me to speak well tonight. Mikwech ka iji kakenakeku ka iji chikean iji onagoshin. Thank you for everything that you do tonight, this evening. Mikwech ka iji pamadazian. Thank you for this life. Dash mikwech ka pisandawiag. And thank you for listening. Ni mikwechu and gichimanadu. I'm grateful, Great Spirit. I'll be dreaming my dreams. I like to break into song while I'm praying. Oh, get your man to baby. No. I wonder if the creator likes music. I assume so, but how can I know? Does God only listen to hymns? He's like, no, I don't like anything except church music. It's got to have my name in the song, or I don't want to hear it. Is God a huge Kiss fan? Probably. I'll be dreaming my dreams. Anyway, John Redcorn at the casino on Keno 6 out of 6. He's at the Jibayag Nimi Iriwag. He's at the Northern Lights Casino. I don't know, maybe he is. I don't even know. Good luck, John. Are you feeling lucky? Tell me, punk, you feel lucky? Say hello to my little friend. If I had to shoot somebody with a pistol, I'd definitely hold it sideways like a gangster. Hey, say hello to my little friend. No, I'd have to go like this, I guess. So I could stare it on the pipe. Try to aim. I'll be dreaming my dreams with you. Such a beautiful Friday night. Nano Gisha. We call it the 5th day night. Nano Gisha good Diva Cup. Or we call it Nano Diva Cup. It's the 5th night. Probably that, actually. Yeah. We're right in the thick of it, aren't we? Winter. For the winter dark of late December, there's no solution. This is actually it's not for me so much. This is a weird thing. Like Christmas and New Year's and all that, they're kind of designed to help people get through the winter blues. They go, oh, it's the dark time of winter, so we hang lights and we have fires and, But after all that goes away, you're still left with all the darkness, but all the celebrations are done.
and we kind of go into hibernations. If you're a Bear Clan, you probably have noticed you want to sleep all the time this time of year. So I think for some people, January is actually a very dark time. For me, the holidays made me a little lonely. Lonesome for people who've passed away, you know. I'm fine about January. I mean, I don't ever feel like leaving the house. I got some cabin fever, I guess. Or I've turned into a bit of a hermit. This time of year, you know, I mean, it's so gray and cold and the roads are icy and all the people are crabby. You just kind of want to go out, do your thing, and then get back home. And just go, okay, fine, I'm out of here. So this morning I snuck into the grocery store, got some cat food, some tea, some cookies, and just, you know, scurried back home and, you know, shuttered in again. If I don't get some exercise soon, I'm going to get fat. That's the other thing. I haven't walked in weeks. But, yeah. Everybody has a little bit of wisdom when it comes to how to get through it. Whether it's how to get through the winter, how to get through depression. Sometimes I think people need to be reminded that you already have all the answers. I have a question. Well, you already have the answers. It's like I heard somebody, you know, they sell millions of dollars worth of books and videos, and there's whole industries around how to lose weight, how to get into shape. And nobody needs it. Everybody already knows, don't eat so much. Eat healthy foods. Don't eat a bunch of crap. Get more exercise. We all know it. The same thing for how to treat depression. You don't need to go to college and, oh, I got a degree in psychology. Everybody who's ever lived has learned along the way. Helpful stuff to get you out of the blues. I always tell people, one of my go-to things is the gratitude list. Miigwetchiwindum. Gratitude, thankfulness. Miigwetchiwindum. They say you can either have anxiety or you can have gratitude. But you can't have both at the same time. For a lot of us, we kind of ping-pong back and forth from anxiety to gratitude to anxiety. It's like, oh, I'm so grateful I had enough money for everything I needed at the grocery store today. And then, bonk. Oh, no, we don't have enough money. Bonk. Hey, you know what? We've made it so this far, we've never not had enough money. Bonk. Oh, no, but what if this time we we end up on the street? Bonk. So the trick, because this time of year, they call it the winter blues, like everyone's depressed. But basically, I think when you're depressed, you also have anxiety. It's two sides of the same coin, depression and anxiety. Depression lives in the past, anxiety lives in the future, but it's all... Most people don't live in the past and are not worried at all about the future and feel grateful, Usually we're depressed about what our lives had been, and then we're freaking out about what might happen. You worry yourself, and it sucks. And this time of year, you might be ping-ponging back and forth from depression to anxiety. Bong. Oh no! What if I get the COVID? Bong. Hey, you know what? I remember I used to be sick and I'm too fat. Boom. Whatever. But anyway, so gratitude. The thing to do is to just start writing down things you're grateful for. Get really good at being grateful for even little stuff. in the end, your elder's going to tell you the only things that really matter are the little stuff anyway, you know. A nice cup of tea, your friends, your family. Being grateful for the house you have. Being ever so humble, you know. So here's me. I've gotten good over the years. Your Auntie Natasha's Nabooka win tonight. Your Auntie Natasha's wisdom. I learned how to get good at being grateful. So watch this. This is how you list your gratitude. Things I'm grateful for off the top of my head. I have my health. I'm not overweight. I don't have COVID. I've never been vaccinated. I have nice hair. I'm attractive. My eyes are pretty good. I got my glasses, but I can see. I'm not blind. I have a nice wardrobe. I have plenty of clothes. I've got enough socks and underwear. I don't even have to go to the laundromat for like 3 months, you guys. I must have over 100 pair of bloomers. No. I have a peaceful life. I'm not in trouble with anyone. I'm not looking at court. I don't have to worry about second-degree manslaughter on a set of Rust. I've never been divorced. I've never been arrested. I don't have anything shameful. There's no, like, videos out there. I'm praying to the Lord that nobody sees of me. You know. I'm grateful for the childhood I had. I'm grateful for the hard times that make me grateful for the current times. I have a pickup that runs. I have a nice little house. It's little, but it's perfect for what I need. I live in a safe neighborhood. See, I mean, just on and on. When I started, I had a hard time. I'd get to 3 and I'd go, okay, well, I'm grateful I'm not, whatever, blind. I'm grateful I'm not homeless, you know. It was really tough. But when I learned that if you just kind of, you know, distract yourself with gratitude, by the time you get to the end of the list, you forgot what you were worried about. You go, oh, okay, what was the cause of my anxiety again? You go, oh, it's a cure-all. Then, if you can get rid of anxiety, that kind of fixes your depression. Once you have gratitude for your life, you stop hanging on to all the disappointments and frustrations, the traumatic, post-traumatic stuff, because you go, well, you know, yeah, maybe my childhood was tough, but it taught me so much. I wouldn't be this grateful now if I hadn't gone through it. So fix your anxiety with gratitude, and then no anxiety will fix depression. And this has been your Auntie Natasha's moment of wisdom. Words of wisdom, Lloyd. Words of wisdom. I've heard it said that it is a good day to be Indian. So saith the words of the elder wiseman John Redcorn. Sometimes it's a good day to die. Sometimes it's a good day for fried bread. No. We went to a school yesterday, and I met a couple of sixth graders. No, 6th grader and a 5th grader, 2 boys. And I was like, yeah, what grade are you in? And the kid goes, I'm a 6th grader. I went, oh, yeah, it's a tough year, man. That's the roughest year to be a boy. And he goes, why? He goes, oh, man, 6th grade is the year where you can't cry anymore out loud. And he goes, what? And then his 5th grader friend goes, no, my mom says it's okay to cry. And there's an elder lady. She goes, yeah, no, boys can cry. That's fine. And I went, no, guys. No, this is the year. I mean, you guys know. I mean, tell me the truth. Your friends won't let you get away with it anymore. Like, especially from physical pain. If you hurt yourself out on the football field and you start crying, Your male friends are going to look away in disgust. Like, oh, come on, man. Quit you crying. And all the ladies in your family are going to say, oh, no, it's fine. You gotta work it out. You got to cry it out. You'll feel better if you just cry. Nope. You guys are boys. Now you got to push it down. You know, I got the impression I was the only one kind of going against. Because then the 5th grader, bless his heart, but his mom is brainwashing him. He goes, well, my mom says no matter what gender you identify as, it's okay to cry. And I didn't say anything, but I was like, oh, is this a kind of school? Do I even have to ask where the ladies' room is? Or are they all just a free-for-all? You know? I mean, do they still have boys and girls' rooms in these liberal schools? There were also like a handful of people wearing masks the whole time. Adults, not the kids. None of the kids wore masks. A couple of the adults had masks on. Why are you wearing a mask? Is that a rule here? Is there something I need to know? Do you want me to wear a mask? They didn't ask me to wear a mask. I was like, what's going on? Is that still a thing? I thought, you know. I don't work in schools anymore, so I'm kind of out of it. Are people wearing masks? Oh. Like, lady, I don't even know what you look like anymore. But sunny days. I suppose I should go back. See what Nanaboozhoo's up to. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Boozhoo. Hi, sweetie. Hey there, Natasha. You ready to come home? Yeah, can you pick me up? Yep. Let me see. I'm locking it on your coordinates. All right. And 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. So, hey, welcome back. I want you to know, thank you. How was it outside? Beautiful, the northern lights are out again. Is that right? Yep. 'Cause I'm gonna take this scarf off and give myself razor burn. All right. What's going on, Michael? I don't know much. 'Cause I'm gonna miss your love the minute you walk out the door. I saw the greatest piano player of my life today. I could not believe it. I wish I could remember her name. The Kansas one? Yeah. I saw a woman. She looked like a model. She looked like she was in her 20s, blonde, in like a kind of sexy outfit, at a grand piano, play the most amazing version of Point of No Return by Kansas, I think. Or maybe it was Come Sail Away. Might have been one of them. She didn't sing, but I was like, how in the world did she get that good? Even if she was 25 years old. And she started playing piano somehow when she was 10. So for 15 years. I mean, she must have been like and then to also be like that beautiful. It's like, I didn't know like beautiful blondes did anything with their lives. Yeah, that's racist. I know it is, isn't it? I have to figure that. Maybe we could share it on the show. Yeah. Anyway, that has nothing to do with anything. You wanna call it a show, buddy? Yeah, sure. If you'd like to support the show, give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, share it with your friends. It's okay that you watch a puppet show. Don't let your friends shame you. I know that's why you're not sharing us. You don't want your buddies, oh, you're a grown woman. You can't believe you're watching this. It's fine. I mean, I don't know. Maybe that's not the issue, but share it with your friends. Chimiquetch to our generous super chatters. Thank you for the tips tonight. And Michael also has books for sale at Amazon.com, like Dog and Maingan. And otherwise, you got anything? Nope. All right. I'm landing the plane. You land that plane. Okay. Miigwech got visit Dawi egg. Thank you for listening. Dash Miigwech gonna wabi egg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. Thanks so much, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. And this over here. Oh. Be still, my beating heart. This is not a BOOZHOO. Okay, miigwech. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Kawa.